Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best snorkel that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zionor Snorkel. The Zionor Snorkel is a comfortable snorkel mask designed for use in lap swimming, swimming training sessions, and diving activities. It is both comfortable and durable and comes with all the required features for a well-performing snorkel device. Its engineering encourages this snorkel device to offer its users a healthy amount of oxygen while they swim, and also allows for the smooth flow of air through a well-designed spout. No matter how the flip turns, the head pad of this snorkel stays firmly in place, thanks to its thick engineered head pad. It doesn't only eliminate movement, it also delivers maximum comfort to users of the Zionor Snorkel. The one-way purge valve of the Zionor Snorkel set features a design that helps rainwater completely whenever you exhale. The mouthpiece of this model is also well optimized in design and manufactured from odorless, food-grade material that fits in your mouth flawlessly. The mouthpiece is meant to help keep your snorkel in place during your swimming sessions, and as such, it must be as water-free as possible. The general design of the Zionor Snorkel set is hydrodynamic. Thus, the model is sleek and offers minimal water resistance. This sort of plan is well suited for professional swimmers and can be used during their training process. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kraken Aquatics Dry Snorkel. During a swim, it is vital to keep salt water away from your mouth to enable you to make the most out of your underwater experience. With the Kraken Aquatics Dry Snorkel, divers get to stay dry even underwater. This snorkel mask features the use of a floating ball system meant to keep all moisture out. This system is located at the opening of your dry snorkel. It closes when submerged in water and reopens as soon as you swim to the water's surface. Enjoy this dry snorkel to the maximum level and benefit from its exciting features. One of the essential features possessed by the Kraken snorkel is its comfortable silicone mouthpiece. This feature is manufactured from only the most excellent silicone material. It is soft and form-fitting to enhance comfort during your long swimming sessions. Say goodbye to mouth hurt when you have the Kraken snorkel by your side. Another design element that makes this device amazing is its flexible corrugated silicone hose. Grooved silicone was used for the design to create a more natural curve around the snorkel face, and this shape makes it easier to keep the snorkel in your mouth. At number 3, we have the Cressi Gringo. The Gringo snorkel is one of many snorkeling equipment designed, manufactured, tested and launched by Cressi. It has been designed to suit adult swimmers thanks to a no small bore frame, which makes it ideal for activities such as freediving and scuba diving. This unit can be used for extended periods, with no issues being experienced thanks to its multi-positional mouthpiece, made from extra soft silicone. The silicone is employed to deliver maximum comfort to swimmers who will use this product for training sessions that usually take a while. The features of this snorkel set include its large diameter tube that aids in unobstructed breathing and a sliding elastic clip for secure attachment of your mask to other units. The mouthpiece bends together with the minimal tube design, provides users with more natural clearing capabilities to further enhance the durability of the Cressi Gringo. At number 2, we have the Speedo Bullet Head Swimmer's Snorkel. Every swimmer and diver will love the Speedo Bullet Swimmer's Snorkel. Featuring some of the most hydrodynamic features around, this snorkel is an engineering beauty and aesthetically pleasing snorkeling equipment with several satisfied users around the world. The overall design is minimalist, which further accentuates its level of functionality concerning the form. It offers excellent stability even at high speeds, making the unit ideal for all races and triathlons. The Speedo snorkel has a low-profile shape that reduces drag and enhances vision. To allow your snorkel cut through the water, the Speedo snorkel has been shaped in the form of a tear, and this also helps strengthen the stability of the unit. Underwater moments are made more enjoyable with the Speedo swimmer's snorkel, no matter where you dive. If you love underwater sports, check out our guide to the best freediving watches. And finally at number 1, we have the Deep Blue Gear, Ultra Dry 2 Dry Snorkel. Give the Deep Blue Ultra Dry 2 gear a try the next time you want to go snorkeling, swimming, or diving. It has all the elements you require as a swimmer to have a memorable swimming experience. This is the best full mask snorkel you will ever find, concerning durability, cost, and functionality. It features the use of high-grade materials that seek to deliver only the best in performance. It is built to the last, thus, users are assured of their money being invested positively for an extended period. The Ultra Dry 2 gear features the use of a dry top technology that makes it 100% submersible. This means you get to explore underwater with no issues whenever you please. There are many features this snorkel unit comes with, but the most important one is the tubing system. The Ultra Dry 2 snorkel makes use of a large bore tube that aids in the easy clearing of water while improving your breathing experience underwater. There is a purge valve included in the design to enhance further the ease at which water is cleared, to maximize the level of comfort enjoyed by users. This purge valve is created from silicone and has been built into the unit for durability. With the Ultra Dry 2 gear, you can say goodbye to jaw fatigue with confidence. It uses a composite flex tube system, ergonomically designed to fit your face and cup your jaw completely.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.